How to clear the colon fast and naturally with this secret drink. Feeling sluggish and bloated? Your gut health might be the culprit. Our digestive system plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, and sometimes it needs a little support. Today, we'll explore the science behind colon cleansing and natural ways to support your digestive system. Plus, we'll share a refreshing drink recipe. Welcome to Health Sabs. Why colon health is important. Your colon, or large intestine, plays a crucial role in your overall health. It's responsible for absorbing nutrients, storing water, and eliminating waste. But when your colon is clogged with toxins and waste, it can lead to a range of health problems, from constipation and bloating to fatigue and brain fog. So, how can we support this vital system? Natural ways to clear the colon. So, how can you clear your colon naturally? Here are some tips. Drink plenty of water. Water keeps things moving smoothly. Eat a high-fiber diet. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide essential fiber for digestion. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps stimulate your digestive system. Manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut. Avoid processed foods and sugar. Secret drink recipe. And now, for the secret drink recipe that will help you clear your colon fast and naturally. Introducing the Colon Cleanser Drink. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Mix all the ingredients and drink once a day for the best results. Watch our video, 7 Powerful Ideas to Improve Digestion Naturally, to know about healthy ways you can incorporate. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, a healthy colon is key to overall wellness. Try out this secret drink recipe and let us know how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.